GoPro Hero 9 Black. It's a black edition. I'm going to unbox this. Oh, I just purchased this like 1 hour ago. Perhaps, yeah, like 1 hour ago, around 1. Now it's 2 p.m. And let's see what's in they give me. I got this, and this is 64 gig. How to unbox this without damaging the box? Okay. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, almost damaging box. Nice. Okay, that's nice. This is a GoPro 9 case. It's a black. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Okay. Hopefully you can see that. Using the 35 Artisan. It's manual-less. And I am alone. I won't have any. Okay, you can see this. Yeah. Hopefully you can see that. What inside here? Subscribe to GoPro. Okay. And what is this? This is how to put the batteries. To use the apps, GoPro apps. Oh, this is a sticker. Yeah. This is a sticker, you know. And how to use the manual book. I mean, how to use the products. Question answer QA. Maybe nobody going to read this. Keep this aside. Put this back. Maybe I will throw it later on inside the box. Okay, this things holding the camera. So nothing more inside. It's empty. Okay, we got the USB to USB-C. Okay, can use this for my Xperia XZ and also my Sony XZ, which is currently using it. The battery, yeah, it's a little bit bigger compared to the GoPro 4. I think GoPro 4 and GoPro 7 use the same battery. I borrowed my friend's GoPro last time when I went to trip for Singapore, I think so. This is a new stuff for me. I don't know how to use this. GoPro holder, perhaps. A slider. What is this? How do you use this? I am bad at this thing. How to use this? How to put this on? Just press? No? Oh, this way? No? Oh shit, I am bad at this. Never mind, I will figure out later on. And yeah, the mounting. Lastly, let's see the GoPro. Oh, it's bigger than what I thought. Okay. Let's get the battery. Let's open this. Yeah. See the 9 there? Yeah, you can see the display there. English? Yes. updating the camera. Okay, updating. Of course cannot see. It's blurry right? Okay. It doesn't have much battery, so I will charge it and we continue it later. Okay. Then let's keep the stuff and let's unbox the battery. Okay. So there's nothing more inside the box. This lifetime limited lifetime warranty. The warranty. Seriously, it's a big box, but the stuff inside is very small. Yeah, it's nothing more. Yeah, nothing inside. Through this, put this aside. Okay guys, I have updated the GoPro to the latest firmware and it became a webcam. How to do it? How to make your GoPro 9 as a Windows webcam. How to make GoPro into your webcam. Okay, first you have to download the apps into your Windows and then later you have to update your firmware of the GoPro. Just connect the cable, the USB-C to the PC, and yeah, it's a webcam, but you cannot. The problem here is you cannot use the Windows camera. You have to go to the task, to the small icon at the clock. You can see a GoPro webcam. Not sure you can see from here, and I will take a screenshot for you guys. And then they have a three mode: wide, narrow, and linear. And you can see from here. Yeah, wonder if you can see my Ronin. You see. Okay, that's all for the unboxing and preview of the webcam. I will make another video. Yeah, another video for the comparison between the iPhone 7, Xperia XZ, GoPro 9, and the iPad mini 5, and also my camera, my mirrorless camera, A7 Mark II. Okay, that's all. I'm going to stream the game now. If you would like to watch, please follow me at Twitch and also YouTube channel. Okay, see you.